Hello! Wouldn't it be amazing if you could take a list of your best customers and clone them? Accelerated can do that. Our application analyzes your customer file in rapid time to see what characteristics your best customers have in common, such as demographics, lifestyle, interest, and purchase patterns. We use those traits to search our massive consumer database and find the best prospects that have comparable characteristics, allowing you to market your brand or product to new customer clones. This unique program allows you to find new, high-value customers based on the lifetime value of your current customer base. Go to accelerated.com and contact us today to get started.